Hello friends and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to create a ticket on ENEBA. So friends, go to eneba.com/support, scroll down, choose any, for example, you have a ticket about your account, click account, and from here scroll down guys, click create a ticket, and then click create a ticket, click order number, order email guys, and click choose a payment, your payment method using to purchase a product or item. And if you have problem about guys login history, click this one and click create ticket and write your order email and your payment and then click continue. So guys, if you have problem on digital keys, click on activation guide and choose any one from your problem. For example, this one. For example, Amazon gift card activations, how you can activate. Scroll down and click create a ticket and then write your ticket about your product guys. Select the product and click continue. The idea guys, just choose your problem and then click on create a ticket, can complete the steps, product details, and click continue. Thanks guys for watching this video. I hope this video helpful for you. See you on another video.